In this video I'm going to be reviewing a new AI tool called AI Wise Mind. You can get it at tryaiwise.com. I'm going to try and split this video into two sections. The first section is my bonuses, the overview and a small review. But the main section is going to be an actual demo of me using the tool on a live site. And also I'm going to show you the back end of it, how it works, and the sort of content that it can generate. Okay, so if you go to tryaiwise.com or click on the link below, it's an affiliate link, so thank you very much for purchasing. And if you buy via that link, I'll send you some of my bonuses. Now, I've recorded a couple of videos recently that I think will help you with this tool. Okay, so the first video is an Amazon affiliate research video. So I'll show you how you find good Amazon niche Amazon products. Another video is unlimited content using a technique that I've learnt and I've used. Another couple of videos on WordPress and how to secure a WordPress site, WordPress performance, and so on. I've got another two Amazon affiliate videos where I show you how to find affiliate products and do research. And the last bonus is limited. I'll do research for you for any keyword you want for any available .com domain that you can buy at wholesale price, so you don't get ripped off paying $1,000 for a stupid blah blah blah.com domain. I'll use my knowledge and I'll use my tools to find you a perfect domain. I'll probably give you a list for 100, maybe even up to 1,000 depending on the keyword, and it can be a .com or .net or .co.uk, whatever you want. But it's limited to the first few. I'll put a number on the bonus page itself. All you do is fill in the form, send me your keyword or keywords, and I'll find you the perfect domain you can buy wholesale. Simple as that. Because I know myself from experience, I own a couple hundred domains. It can be really hard to get the perfect domain for your project. So with this free service I'm offering you, which is normally a paid for service, you can I'll find you the perfect domain. Okay, let me get into the overview of what AI Wise Mind really is. It's a bit of a mouthful to say. Okay, so this is yet another AI tool, but I'll be honest with you, I think this is the best of the lot so far. And I heard about it for a while from Chris, and I signed up to the beta a month or so ago, I think. I was one of the early users. And it's been fascinating to see the progress and hear about this, but actually using it, seeing the output and just thinking about the potential. I'm even thinking about upgrading my package. I went for one of the lower packages just to test it out, see how it works. Once I finally got around to using it, I think it's been pretty incredible, and I could just see myself just smashing out posts on website endlessly, because this is really a unique tool. So the overview, the basics of what it does. You've got options to create content on the fly, on autopilot, auto post your WordPress sites, and so on. And it can create different types of content. You can have informational posts, so for example, how to treat ear pain. You can have a product review, so the 5 best earphones, or you can have a roundup. That's a roundup, the 5 best earphones, and a product review, so you can pick a product on Amazon or ClickBank or any product place or site you want, put the details into the app, and it will give you a massive, very wordy, very well optimized post. And I'll show you later on in the demo how good it is, because I was blown away by how good the content really is. Because I do use ChatGPT, I use the OpenAI Playground, I use all these tools. I had Jarvis or Jasper for a long time. I've got ZimWriter, there's so many tools, loads of tools. I even bought one recently, which I'm not going to reveal yet because I'm still testing it. But I think this might actually be better than that one, and that one I paid a lot of money for a lifetime deal, but anyway, that's a different thing. So from their sales page, it will create long form SEO friendly content. Now in the Facebook group, there's a lot of examples that he's given that Chris has given where He shows the rankings that Google calls them, indexes them. It ranks across even brand new domains. He shows the content of the post, the type of post. I don't know, it's just really, I've not seen anything like this. Let me see, so he says long form product reviews, certificate Amazon reviews, which I thought, honestly, I've had tools before that say this. I'm not going to name them because I don't want to diss them, but there were some tools that are just so bang average and it was just so dead. But now with GPT 3.5 and 4, you can get some amazing content written, and with the right prompts, which is what this tool does. It has the prompts, it does multi prompts, and it just gets you such amazing content. It's completely readable, and it ranks. Create reviews for any affiliate products, which is true because I've tried it myself. You can auto set up WordPress sites. This is a good feature for people who, well, I suppose like myself, who always, I've got plenty of hosting packages. I've got unlimited hosting, I've got VPS hosting, shared hosting, and like I said, I've got 200 plus domains, and it can be a pain to go in manually and add the about us page, contact page, terms of service. You have to have all these pages for Google to set you a real site and to give you a bit of authority. And also it makes it look authentic and so on. But doing that for each site does take time. Now what I like in this software, because I know Chris is an avid domain buyer, he has a lot of domains, he does a lot of, creates a lot of content. This has got a feature where once you actually activate your WordPress site, he goes through the process of how to add the details into the app itself, and this will go and add the correct plugins that you need or don't need, but that it recommends to get started, and it will add those pages, and it will make it look like a real site in, like, I don't know, maybe a minute, 2 minutes, something like that, maybe a bit longer, maybe a couple of minutes, but it just does it all for you. And all you have to do is just work from within the app to smash out the posts, and the posts really do look good. You can manage and edit your posts you can do it from within the app itself. So you can add images, you can change the text around, add titles, whatever you want, or you can do it in WordPress. And a feature I like is that even though you set auto publish, you can set it to draft pending or straight publish. So it depends how sensitive you are. For me, a lot of my sites, I just want to knock out the content, so I just set it straight to publish. But you can do whatever you want. You can schedule your content, so you can say do 1 post a day, do 3 posts a day, or do 1 post to one site, 5 posts to another site. All depends on your plan limits and how much risk you want to take. Now, I think they recommend doing about 2 or 3 posts a day, which is fine. You can auto embed videos, images, and Amazon links. Now, I wasn't too keen originally on adding other people's videos, but it's on your page. It's another feature for Google to give you a plus point, so it's not really a problem. But if I've got videos, or if I've got the ability to make quick videos, then I will rather have my own channel videos on there, and then I can have a link in that description, also have it embedded on my site and so on. Images, it can use DALL-E to make AI images. You can grab images from Google or product images from the website and so on. And Amazon links, so you can have just Amazon links to any of the Amazon sites. So in the settings you set your main tag, but when you're doing the actual product listing or the get the content, excuse me a second, sorry, just had to sneeze there, you can actually set your individual tag for the product or products and the marketplace, but it will be mostly Amazon.com, and then you can store something like Amazon One link, and then you can just target it to your geo site, or you can use even Genius Link or something like, or just use custom links. It's fine, it's not a problem. And what else? Create SEO optimized content. So far it seems to be doing alright. And auto create product review roundups, which is very good. It saves a lot of time. This is launching on the 24th of July, 8 AM Eastern, which is let me see, I wrote it down somewhere, 1 PM UK time. Just lost my bit, I think. Yeah, 24th July, 1 PM UK, 8 AM Eastern. And like I said, if you buy it via the link down below or tryaiwise.com, you'll get access to all of my bonuses completely free as soon as you purchase. There are some demo articles on the website, unedited, but I'm going to show you a demo in a second. You'll see for yourself how good the content is. You can use any networks, so ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Amazon, JVSU, Commission Junction, Share Sale, Impact, and I've never heard of Flex offers. Okay, these are some people in the Facebook group. It goes over why it's different, and this is the some of the pictures, images from the dashboard. I'll get into that in a second. So what can it do? So Site Wizard is what I explained. You can connect multiple sites, unlimited sites I think it is. You can put the sites in a group, so you can even add a client site. So the way it works with WordPress is that you can use the existing user, but what I prefer to do, I set up a new user and I give it some fake writer name, and then you have to create an application password and you connect that one to AI WiseMind. So especially if I was working with a client side, I would do it that way, creating a new user, and then just so you know, it's a writer and it's the app doing it itself. Auto embed media, content customization. Everyone should have access to GPT-4 by now, I reckon. But I think there was something that if you spend over $1, then you can access now. But anyway, GPT 3.5 is perfect because the content's really good and it's dirt cheap. Update and sync, content scheduler, content editor, article management, so on, share articles, download articles. This is a new feature, exciting feature, internal linking. This uses GPT-4, which is a bit more expensive, but the juice that you get from all the posts interlinking with each other and AI running it all, that is invaluable, because I think there's a WordPress plugin, I forgot what it's called. They were charging, I think, almost $200 or $300 a year for one site or 5 sites, and you're getting it at cost. You're just using your OpenAI credit to pay for the GPT-4 to do the work, to look through the article and just find the right links. Multi-language is important for some people. I know some people in the group were doing it in German, in Arabic, and so on. I think Arabic, but I know German definitely. I saw 1 or 2, and Spanish as well. And this one, YouTube posts. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, because this I think you mentioned today. That's that. Let me see. I think that's the end. There's plenty of tutorials inside the app. Okay, let's get to the pricing. Okay, so like I said, I was on the beta sign up, and I'm on the Essentials package. I thought let's start off slow, see how it goes. And for a couple of weeks I didn't use it because I was caught up in some other tools, and I thought let it spread its wings a bit, see how it goes, let me get some feedback from other people, and then I'll start using it. And yeah, I mean, I've been blown away. It's amazing. Let me go through the base. This is the base package. It's the cheapest one. Now you can start with this one, but honestly, for the extra $25, this, in my opinion, this is the one to go for minimum, because of the auto posting, and because you can schedule posts, auto insert affiliate links to review posts and so on, and you get to link it up with Amazon. Now the issue is, for it to scrape Amazon stuff, it does cost money. There's another software I use, but I think I was paying $10-15 a month extra just to scrape other websites. But with AI WiseMind, it's all included inside the Essentials or any package above that. But the base package is perfectly fine to start off with. You can create 500 articles a month, which is because you're not doing as much resource intensive stuff, I guess, and you're not using proxies and things. I don't know what the justification is. That is quite a big jump, 500 articles, because I'm only getting 100. So I'm rambling a bit there. Okay, so yes, you can't connect the websites with the base package. You can't do the Amazon product reviews. You can't automate the reviews. You can't sync and update. You can't auto schedule, and you don't get a site wizard setup. Which are not all essential, but in my opinion, to get the most out of it, you do want, I know it's a pain to say, but you do want the Amazon product reviews, you do want auto insert affiliate links, you do want the review posts, and even the syncing. I thought it's not essential. Once you actually try it, see how good it is, you do want that feature. Let me see, standard is exactly the same, but you have 250 articles. Then you have business, 500 articles. Then you have professional, 250, and so on and so on. The largest package is 3,000 articles per month. Now, I'll be honest with you, when they first released the pricing, I thought, is it really worth it? Who's going to do more than 100 articles per month? But once you get into the flow and you actually see the quality of the content and you see how quickly the stuff gets picked up by Google and how it ranks, and we start getting those commissions. That's the most important thing, is getting the commissions in. Once you get the commissions in, then you're thinking, oh, I need another website. So if you want another website, you can add another 3 posts a day. That's going to eat into your 100 limit. Then you're going to think, oh, I'll do another website in another niche. So before you know it, you're going to have 10, 20 sites. And you're going to be doing 30 posts a day. So this will be gone in no time. So that's what I'm even thinking about, pushing up to the 250 or 500 even. The 500 is actually better value. But again, it all depends on your budget and what you're making. I'll be running off too long now, it's 15 minutes. Okay, let me end this section shortly. There's some more comments from the Facebook group. People got results in days and so on. Okay, does the content pass AI detection? Again, people get obsessed with this AI detection. I mean, the only thing that would concern me about AI detection is if I was a writer on Upwork or something, and people are paying me to write human content, I'm using AI. That would worry me, because then I wouldn't want to get caught. But other than that, we know Google doesn't care. Not doesn't care, but it doesn't penalize you. As long as the content's good and it helps the user answer the question, then it's not a problem. Yes, so you upgrade, downgrade any time. Okay, now the thing you have to be careful with any AI tool. Obviously, it can't be all inclusive, because you can have one person writing 1 post a day and one person writing 100 a day. The amount you pay will all depend on the content. If you use GPT 3.5, I doubt you'll hit more than $1 a day, even less than that, maybe a few cents a day. If you GPT-4, then you will be spending more money. It costs between, I forgot what they said, about 10 cents to 15 cents per article on average. Because GPT-4 is like the ultimate at the moment, but also there's a cost for that. But there's so much content being written by GPT 3.5, I wouldn't even consider using GPT-4 if I don't have to. And so far, I don't think I've had a need for it. Everything's been done on 3.5 and it's very cheap. I'm not paying even 50 cents a month, maybe $1 a month I'm paying. You need to bring your own OpenAI key. Yes. I think is there rollover? No. Every 30 days the account is reset. You can use it for client sites, image rights. Okay. This is another thing we have to be careful. There is a setting I'll show you inside the control panel, but some of the images are lifted from the original site, from Google and stuff. They're scraped, and some are AI generated. If they're scraped or whatever, you have to be careful. Maybe credit the image or just delete it and put in a general image. There is an option to add an API key for pixels, I think it is. I've forgotten. I'll check in the settings. But other than that, yeah, you don't really want to be using other people's images without permission. Yep, you can connect it to your existing website and so on. You can create 800, 1500 or 3000 word articles and so on. Okay, so that's the overview. So now this is the next part of the video. I'm going to give you a tutorial now, a real tutorial. Okay, so this is the inside of the AIWise Mind app. Don't forget, you can go to tryaiwise.com, and that is an affiliate link. Thank you. You get some bonuses for that. Okay, so in this is a new account. So how you done one test campaign in here, but on the left hand side is the main menu, main options. So you got campaigns, content, where all your content lives, the connected sites, your site groups, site wizard for setup, tutorials and settings. Let me show you the settings. I might need to blur it, will I? No, it's all blurred. Okay, so this is where you add your OpenAI key. Now I've got access to GPT-4, so it says here I've got access to GPT-4. If you do get access later on, just go back in here, press save, and you'll see it change to GPT-4 access. Add your own YouTube API key. Follow this. They give a tutorial. It's very easy to get. Add your own YouTube API key. That's to bring in videos. Then you add in your Amazon PAPI, I think it is 5 key. the key, the secret key, and then you add your Amazon affiliate ID, but you can change that later on anyway inside the campaign. And then you get your Pixabay API, not Pexels. So you put that in there, you press save and save them all. Okay, so campaigns, all of the campaigns you have that are running or have been completed. Content is where all your content lives. So inside content, each article has got a unique code here. This article number 106,182. That's the title, the types, it was a review post. That's the number of words, 2,059, which is mega. And actually, if you click on the link below, you actually get to see this post because I put it on my Fan Reviews website because I wanted to test it, see how the content looks. Internal links, I didn't set up any internal links yet. Status is done, so it's been completed, and so on. So if you click on these little 3 buttons on the right, you can view the article. You can download it, which is handy because it downloads it in HTML format, so you can just put it straight into WordPress or Wix or whichever platform you want. You can regenerate, which I haven't tried yet, but I assume it just regenerates it and makes it fresh because that will just run a new campaign. Publish it, you can share it. Actually, what does share do? Let me click on that. Okay, it gives you a direct link from inside the okay, that's interesting. I'm not sure what the point of this is. It's interesting. Maybe there's feature coming soon. Campaign will take you back to the campaign. You can edit the article, you can delete it. From here you can create a new campaign, or you can export your things, your content. Okay, connect sites. This is where it starts getting interesting. So as a test, I just added one of my multiple affiliate sites that I've not worked on in a long time. I'll actually show you how to connect a site in a second, but this is just called Wheatgrass Evidence, and that's the domain, and that's the made up username. I made another account to connect this. Can I show the settings? Actually, let me see if they're hidden. I might need to hide this. Actually no, it's hidden, it's fine, yeah. So you just put in your site name, the actual full site URL, the WordPress username or email, and then the groups. So I just put a demo group, and then the categories that are already there, so you can add more categories. So if you go back to your, if you add more categories via your WordPress backend, and then you don't see it inside AI WiseMind, just go to your website, click on sync categories, and that will sync it up again, and they'll pick them up. It's a good idea to do that. So you can edit this, or you can start new. Let me just carry on and I'll get back to it. Site group. So for example, if I had a group about let me see, fitness. I do have some sites, and then I don't have a site there, but anyway, I'll add that site. Or if I had one for, I don't know, property clients, and I'll have their sites in here, and that'll be a group, because it just makes it a lot more organized, a lot easier to work with these groups. Site wizard. So if from here you click on new site wizard, once you add the site, you can, you know what, let me connect the site and I'll go through this, because it would be a good idea to do that. So let me quickly pull up my text file, the details. Okay, this is my site. It's on a test server. Basic themes, all the sampled posts here, and all the original stuff here. And this is the dashboard, it's all the default stuff. So let me go through this process so you see how easy it is, and this is what's really making me happy with this. So I'll call it, what should I call it? AI test site, the URL. Let me just quickly copy and paste it from my text file. So it's just the test site URL and the domain, the admin details. Okay, I made a demo account. Let me show you that actually. Let me see. Oh no, I just did the same user. Okay. Actually, what I'll do, I'll show you how to actually do that. This is what I think you should do. I know they don't say it in their training, but in my opinion, this is what I think you should do. Go to users. So I'll call it AIWM writer. Email is whatever. @ . whatever this domain is, .com. Oh, I don't know why I'm being so slow. Okay, first name, Dave, and generate password. Okay, fine, I'll just do that one. But we'll delete it anyway. Let me copy this username. Okay, and make sure you set it as an admin. Done. Don't want to save it. So now, okay, where are we? So now I'm going to enter the username or email. So the username was writer, application password. This feature I've not used before. This is a good. I think it's pretty secure. It's a good security feature. They give you a little tutorial here, but just go to your WordPress site, click on users. Now click on the user that you want to use. So it was this writer account. Go down to the bottom, and where it says application password. Actually, one tip: it must be on HTTPS beforehand. Because this demo site wasn't, so I had to quickly change my domain in where's it gone? Settings general to HTTPS, and I had a SSL certificate installed, but it wasn't set up properly. Let me go back to users, test writer, and then here, so you put in a name, so I'll call it AI Wise Mind, and your application password, just so you know what it is. So you copy this. Go back to AI Wise Mind, put that in there. Let me just keep a record here. I'm going to delete it anyway. And then site group, I'll call it, I'll leave on demo affiliate. Then connect. Now give it a second. Straight away connected. So some people had problems, but I've not had a problem with this so far. Now the site is connected. So okay, categories, I haven't got any categories sitting there yet. Can I add categories from here? I don't think I can. I think you can do it on the other page. But yeah, that's my site added. So let me show you the demo of doing categories. So let me go to post categories. Oh yeah, and what you should do, because this site is fresh. I'm jumping ahead of myself. Let me just do category first. Let's call it, I don't know, audio equipment. Let's pretend we want audio product site. The category is updated here, and it's not in here, so we'll go to sync. I think I can refresh the page. There we go, audio equipment is done. Okay, let me go to Site Wizard. Let me do. I've not done the setup here. I've got not any plugins. I don't think, have I? No, nothing's here. Okay, so new site setup. It's called, that's the test site. Site title, I'll call it the audio garage. Site tagline, update title site. Oh, no, I'll leave it like that. Site tagline, we review the best audio tech. And this is important because it uses this to create your About Us page and some other pages. So just put at least a sentence in there. So at the audio garage, we review and test the best audio tech. We are experienced. We have several years of experience in audio as audio. Let's see if it uses this sort of stuff from there. Okay, now this is where it gets interesting. So when you set up a new WordPress site, you always get, let me show you, you get the default post, which you always get spam comments on. You get the default page, and you don't have the plugins ready and so on. So that's the site there. So let me go back here. So what we're going to do, remove default post, check. Remove default page, remove default plugin. So hello Dolly and Akismet. Excuse me. We want to create an about page, contact page, privacy policy, disclosure page, and terms of use using your site description. Now, because this is just general WordPress, you can edit it however you want later on, but it's a good starting point to get you off the ground. And it will be unique, so use some of this content inside the page. So now to install plugins, this is a big time saver. Classic editor, I don't mind Gutenberg, but actually, yeah, I'll leave the classic. I like classic widgets. Easy to tailor content is fine. Disable comments you can do manually, it's a bit of a fiddle, but fine. I don't use Sitekit. I'll use Rank Math, and I'll use YouTube Embed Plus because it gives you responsive video embeds, which is important. Oops. And then I'll create an author bio. Did I create an author name? I can't remember. Let me see, where's my author? Actually, let me see if it makes an author bio. Let me give my user a different name. I'll call him Steve. Let's see what it does. I've not tested this feature yet. I'll do the display name is Steve. Update. Well, no other detail on the page. Go back. SEO friendly permalink structure. I think it might set permalinks as well, which would be good. Number of categories. This will be interesting. Default 8. I'll just do 5. I don't know what audio stuff it will do, but let's see. Now, I think it takes about 5 minutes. The time now is 10:24 p.m. So status is new. I'll pause the video here. I'll see how long it takes. Okay, it's been 30 seconds, barely, and it's already at 50%, so it's running. So it's in the process of doing it. That site is actually on a VPS, so it's pretty quick hosting. Okay, the time now is... So it took about 3 minutes. And it's done. So let's have a look now. So this is how the site was. My amazing site, sample page, and so on, hello world, and blah blah blah. Okay, now let me just refresh it. So now we've got about us, contact us, disclosure, privacy, policy, terms of use. I think I didn't change the title, that's why I didn't change this one, that's my fault. In the settings, yeah, where it's update site title, I didn't do that, so I'll do that manually. Okay, so let's look at these pages. About us, about, and that's the description I put in the audio garage. That's nice. I like that. Expert reviews, unbiased recommendations. Now, what I like, because it's AI based, it means it's AI backend. There's not a big footprint of every single site made of this using the same content. It's all very unique because it uses the content you've put in to make a new page. So I really do like that. The audio garage, not just a review site. This is really professional. Obviously, this stuff you can change to whatever you want. The audiogarage.com. What if there was a real website? I like that. That's pretty good. Contact us. So of course, there's not a contact form, but you can just put whatever details you want here. But even this is really unique because on some site demos that I saw, they had a phone number and address and all that. This one, they're telling you, they're giving you the option to add your advertising, media, career, social media stuff. That's really good. It's really cool. Very impressed. Disclosure, affiliation, reviews, transparency, affiliate links, so on. Very important. Privacy. Again, very important. So these are important pages, but you should go through them as well. And just update them and correct them, make sure it's correct. Because don't forget, it's AI doing this. But everything is consistent with audiogarage.com, even though it's not my site. But in terms of use, again, same sort of thing. Brilliant. Now let's look at the back end. So let's go to posts. Okay, that's gone. Disable comments is running, but I think we need to change the setting. Give me a second. We've got the YouTube plugin there. So we've got classic. I need to see these again. Sorry. Okay, we've got classic widgets, disable comments, easy table of content, embed video plus, and rank math. So in here, we want to disable comments everywhere. Okay, it's preset up. That's fine. I don't need to set any other stuff really. Easy table of contents. Only for posts. Okay, it's already pre-configured. beautiful. Is this a big time saver doing all this stuff? Okay, so what else? Appearance theme. Okay, I left the theme the same, that's fine. And this one, okay, that's fine. I'm not really bothered about this anyway, that's fine. So that is the site wizard. That was so easy. It's incredible. It took 3 minutes to set up the site. It done all this stuff for me, saved me all this time. That's the beauty of this tool, because it is literally a tool. It's a money making tool, time saving tool. Two important things if you're a marketer is making money and saving time. And if you can do stuff like this on autopilot, I mean, now you spent 35 minutes watching this video, which is crazy. It's this long, but I had to show this because I'm so excited about this, the potential of this. Now let me show you an actual demo, but I've been rambling for long enough. Let's get to content. Oh, sorry, let's get to campaign. So we'll use that site. What was it called? A test WM site. So we'll do campaigns. We'll look at the campaign dashboard now. I'll add some tags, but some timestamps below. So informational posts. So in this example for audio, one of my bonuses, I'll give you some keyword research tips on how to write informational posts and find affiliate products and niche and so on. Let me pick one off the top of my head. Let me turn my fan off here, sorry. The informational post. So this is the campaign name. So WM test info post can earphones affect hearing? Okay, so the keyword is can earphones affect hearing? Use keyword as title. No, it makes its own title. Context. So if you're writing about a product or a brand or something, you can make sure that it mentions these things inside this box here. Now, I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if it's on a line by line basis. 'Cause when I did my test post, I put in about 3 separate lines of content and it came out perfect. So I think that's how it works. Maximum 1,000 words. Affiliate links. So I'm not going to put any affiliate links in this one because it's informational. Actually, I could do. I don't see why not. Okay, let me pop this other tab here. Let's say I had a quick look on Walmart. Let me just pretend this is an affiliate link. I think that should be okay. Let's test it because I've never shopped at Walmart before. Okay, let's pretend that's my affiliate link. Okay, and I want to do shop now, visit site. Just do check price and visit official website. Maximum 3 anchor link counts. Button colors, so you choose colors. I'll choose teal. You can pick multiple because I've got 3. I'll just choose teal, doesn't matter. Add your own anchors, text, or image buttons. Now this is good because you can change the text to whatever you want. So I can do something like buy this headphone now or buy this product now. Or you can put in a URL to have a banner or to have a button or image. That's really cool. That's a really good feature. Again, another very unique feature. Embed, so you can add video embeds. It will go to YouTube using your YouTube API and it'll search for video embeds. Add images. Again, it will depend on the settings. It will crawl Google or create an AI image or so on, or get a product image. Now, image source. So now this is where it gets a bit tricky. I don't think there'd be an issue getting this from this website image, because it depends on the terms and conditions of the affiliate. So I don't know with Walmart. I don't know what they do. But again, always check that first. You can have stock images from Pixabay, which is fine. AI generated images, which is fine, and Google search images, which are questionable. But I'm not trying this. Let's try add image copyright disclosure. Now this is where it gets interesting. So it's been updated to GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K. So there's more data input, giving you even better data output. But they're giving you a warning here. GPT-4, technically the content is better, but it's 10 times more expensive. So what will cost you 1 cent will cost you 10 cents with GPT-4. Language, let's go through this. We've got Afrikaans, we've got Albanian, Arabic, Armenian, Azerbaijani, a lot of languages here. Bengali, Bosnian, Burmese, English. Oh, English UK, that's unique. Let's do English UK. I know I'm getting excited. Because I get fed up changing the spellings to UK, but we'll test that, actually see how that works. For my review post, I didn't actually check the language, I left it as English default. It would be good if we could change the default language actually. I'm going to ask them if we can do that, put that in the settings. Because that will save time. Gujarati, Hebrew. Let me see if they've got... Oh, they haven't got Urdu. Oh dear, doesn't matter. Maybe English UK, where's it gone? English UK, beautiful. Point of view. So this is... there was some discussion in the group, we could do random or whatever. But I think the best ones are first person plural, we, us, our, ours, or second person, you, yours. I'll do first person plural. Because I'm writing as an engineer, I said we've got a team, I think, so I'll do that. Tone and voice, friendly, professional, conversational, humorous, empathetic, or whatever. So we'll leave, whatever, angry or right so a child can understand. I'll just leave it as friendly. Content length, 1500 is perfect because yes, you can rank with around 250 words, but if you do a lot of words, you've got more chance of ranking. I suppose it's a funny area. You could do minimum 800 words, but I always leave it at medium 1500. You can do really long as well if you want, but that's fine. One post, now post on schedule. You can like do one a day, you do every day, every minute, every hour, every week. You can do one a week, one a month. I don't know why you do every year, but maybe if you want to do one by New Year's, every year it will do it, bang on, it will be published. But yeah, every day, every week is fine. I wouldn't really push these ones, my plan is not that big anyway. And you can do custom SEO title, optimized title, you can do whatever you want. You can post it straight to WordPress. So let's try that actually. So I've done this. I'll do publish immediately. Okay, I think you can choose your group here. Okay, well I've only got all in the same group. We'll do the test site. And you can choose multiple sites, which is interesting. And then straight you can do publish, pending or draft. You can auto-generate featured image. Now these aren't always perfect, and also it depends on your theme, how that will look. So you have to go in and check that yourself. Auto-generate tags. I don't really use tags ever. Auto-generate category. No, I've got a category, so I'll choose my category here. Add internal links. This is in beta at the moment, and this uses GPT-4. I only have one post, so I'm not going to do that for now. But this is a really cool feature because it will go in and look at the post, and it will link the post to other posts and just create a whole structure of internal links, which is really good, really cool. So I'm going to choose my category as audio equipment. Actually, I think let's pick these up, videos and what's new from my other site, maybe, I don't know. Or maybe because I chose group, let me delete that. Yeah, so because I chose group, it... Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, I see what's going on, yeah. So you can, it's best to choose individual site rather than group. Because I chose group, it showed me multiple categories. But it probably only posted one site. But anyway, that's all there for testing. Tags I don't bother with. So now we'll go to create and create another. Save as a draft. So you can just keep this outline and go back to later on. Or you can create. So let's do create. And what is the time? There's the time. There's 10:40. Whoops. So now here we go. This is what I did before. It's content 101. 2 hours ago. It was a review of AI Wise Mind, posted below. It's not active because it's finished. This one is currently active. I can pause if I want to. This is informational. So if I go to content now, so it's processing it. So 20% means I started it. it took me last time about you can see in that time, in 1 hour, there's been over 400 posts made. If it's going in sequential order, which I assume it is, which is impressive. And this is only from the beta users. Okay, now it's publishing. It's finished this. 2,175 words. It's publishing to the site. So right now on this site we have nothing, no posts. Oh, it beat me to it. Okay. Okay, so let me just refresh it one more time to show you. Okay, it's published. So now from here we can go straight to the post, to view post. But I want to show you inside the editor. Okay, this is not the editor, but this is the post. Sorry. So informational post. That's the target. That's the title that I made. The meta description. That's the body. It got a related video. Got a buy now link. Okay, introduction, importance of the topic, understanding earphones, the different types, popular brands. Click to buy. You see at the bottom it goes to Walmart. The effects of loud music. The research on earphone usage. Now, because this is technically medical, always double check and always have disclaimers in place, unless you're qualified to discuss this. But yeah, this is a lot of content here. This property of, okay, this must be some sort of, I don't know what that site is, but you see it's good that it's got that there, so it'll give you some coverage that you're at least giving credit. How to choose the earphone, another image. That's incredible. And so on. So that's a post link. It's category number 2, the ID. That's the campaign, publish, and so on. So where's the edit button? Oh, here, edit. Okay, so this is the actual content editor. So if you don't want to go into WordPress and edit it, you can do it all from here. You've got a lot of the same features. So you've got your WYSIWYG editor, so you can do paragraph heading and so on. Bold, italic, the indentation, the justification, the numbered list, the colors, highlighting, quotation, table, all that stuff. So links, videos, insert media, images, and so on. So if I can go here and make this one even bigger if I want to, can I? Can I change the size? Oops, not that one. Okay, I buggered that one. Is there a size option? Okay, maybe not a size option, but you can do a lot of other things except for size. Let me see, I want to highlight it. Highlight it yellow. And you go in here, edit what you want, then you can save changes. You say yes, save. Okay, let me go to the site and show you the actual post. Okay, that was the buy now. So let me see if I go back here. Go back to this one here. I don't want to. I've updated what I wanted because I've edited it. Let me update it now. So it's republishing. Let me give it a quick refresh. Done. So this one should be technically yellow now. Let's see. Done. Beautiful. This you can change to whatever you want. You can move the video wherever you want and so on. But this is the post. So what it does, it puts a buy link near the beginning, in the first section here. A buy link randomly in the middle section, and then one should be right at the end, I think. Right at the end there's one there. Tags, I don't have any. I'm just using the default theme, so obviously your theme affects this big time. And that's the featured image it got, and this is how it looks on this site. So this software is honestly mind-blowing. It's been so well implemented. It's so easy to use, and you can easily go over the plan that I'm on in no time just by messing about with a couple of sites. Tutorials, there's plenty of tutorials, resources, and all this stuff here. FAQs, very useful. Let me do one more quick campaign with my other site. Good. Oh, we have 50 minutes already. So we're doing a new campaign. I'm going to do an Amazon product review. Yeah, I didn't show you inside these details. Amazon product review. So you can do a single product or multiple products. So for single, you can add the keyword or add an async or add the URL. For multiple products, you add multiple URLs, and it will compare them and you just do its magic. So I'll do single. So name, what was it called? Wheatgrass powder test review. Keyword URLs. Let me just put it across here. Let me just pick a random one. I know nothing about wheatgrass. Just say this one. Grab this URL. Go back. Stick in here. And okay, an Amazon affiliate ID. Let me just put a test one in there. Test. So it'll be actual Amazon tag. So I can't even remember mine. Test 1-20. You can choose the Amazon store location. So mine will be normally .co.uk or .com. But you can have any of these. What you could do if you use Genius Link, which automatically does geo-targeting, you can override the Amazon link and put in the Genius link in here, or any other share link, whatever you want. Or just say, for example, you want to review this product, this wheatgrass thing, but you've got to deal with this company direct. So and they've given you their own affiliate link, so you can change your link in here from Amazon to their direct link, if you understand what I'm saying. So there's that. So I don't want to override it. So ideally, with Amazon, they're quite particular about the links. You have to give a clear indication that it's on Amazon. So I'll leave it at get it on Amazon, or even check price. Or you could add another one, check price on Amazon, which I will do. The color, I'll make it the Amazon orange. And let me add my own. Let's do check price on Amazon. I don't know if I use that and that. Let's see what happens anyway. Check price on Amazon. Bloody blah. Okay, we want to add video embeds. Maybe not for this one, I don't know, but I suppose it's good. Add images, so it will pull images from Amazon. So yeah, so that's that. Amazon product images, stock images, AI generated images. I'll turn off Google image search. GPT 3.5 turbo. I'll leave it as English US. Friendly. We'll try this one, second person. We'll leave it at medium. One post, publish immediately. Did I choose my site? Yeah. Let me see. Oh, sorry, that's here. Post to WordPress. Choose the Wheatgrass website. Publish, auto-generate featured image, auto-generate tag. We'll try the tags. Category. I don't know what categories I've got on there actually. Oh, videos and what your category. Auto-generate category. Add internal links. Okay, might as well do it. See what happens. And then we'll do create. So I don't know if it will look at the content on the site already for internal links. Not sure what it will do. So what time is it now? What is the time? 10:49. Oopsie. So I'll just pause the video for a second. Should we go to content? Let's see what the status is. So it started. Oh, it's at 10%. Okay, it's been a minute. And we're publishing now. Internal links too. So it's going to be interesting to see what it does with this. 1455 words. Give it a second to finish. Okay, so my actual current usage for today has been 7 cents. Let me just see. So GPT. Okay, I think not updated yet. Anyway, sorry. Let's let it finish. Okay, published. So if I click on the site, let's see what will it do. It just shows me all this. Get it on Amazon, that's the button there. That's the image. Please don't look under the rag. That's a video there. FAQ, nutrition facts. Is that a custom image? I don't know what that image is. Conclusion and get it on Amazon. Okay, 1 second. Let's go to post. Oh, wrong site. Let me quickly log into the site. Actually, no, I can do it from here. Where's it gone? Go to the top. View post. Okay, so you see the title here. I said make your own title. St. Anthony's Organic Wheatgrass Powder 8-ounce review. Ignore this, because this is just a temporary site that I set up. I haven't really finished it. And ignore this bit as well. This from another plugin. So this is the introduction. That's the that's the first internal link. I've got a post about what is wheatgrass good for. I think I used Article 4 to try this a year ago. Is that a year? Yeah, just over a year. Should I consider buying it? This is a product image, and if you look at the bottom, the image is linked to Amazon.com. Check price on Amazon. How it works, and so on and so. I have no idea what this is, so that's that. Get to an Amazon specification. Now Google loves the table, especially. Oh, I'm a bit sleepy now, but Knowledge Panel, one of the snippets, it shows tables and stuff. So anyway, you could get in there. Who's it for? Pros and cons. Also very important FAQs, which is amazing. I wonder if the schema is set up for that. What customers saying, overall value. I just know that it's Amazon image. Okay, that's fine. Tips and tricks, conclusion, product summary, recommendation. I highly recommend Anthony's Organic Powder, which is very nice. These are tags. That's the Amazon link. And there you go. It took what was that, a minute? It was a minute or so to do that. And I'll be honest, I mean, you can just spend maybe half an hour a day just doing a few of these. You can either schedule it out or go through it manually if you want to. And this is pretty much set and forget stuff, because it will automatically generate this content for you, and Google will keep crawling your site, coming back to the site, because you're giving them fresh content. And you can use GPT 3.5 Turbo or 4 to write the content. Oh, it's incredible. It's really exciting. Let me close this one now. Let me see what I put. Images in here. Obviously you want to add some more plugins. One of my bonuses is how to optimize WordPress. So you'd want to add security, you'd want to add image optimization, and so on. These are the pages. And let me check the permalink. Is permalink set? Okay, yes, it's preset permalinks, which is another time saver. It's brilliant. I'm really happy. The only thing was site title. Let me change that quickly. It doesn't matter, it's a test site, but what is it called? Audio Garage. I think it didn't update here because I didn't update it on the other one. The best audio tech, whatever. Okay, Audio Garage, okay. Audio Garage, blah blah blah. This is from theme. Let me actually show you how easy it is. Let's change the theme quickly. What's the theme I've not used for a long time? What's this? Bloggers? Okay, I'll try this one. You want it to look good, newsworthy, but even the default themes are fine. Let me just see what it looks like. From that to that. This looks really nice. Looks more professional. Obviously, I'd get rid of the comments, archives, and yeah, comments and archives definitely. Do that from appearance settings. I'm not going to do that now. Then you got your menu here. That looks pretty sweet. I like that. I'm happy. Oh, light and dark mode built in. Very fancy. Anyway, it's at 1 hour now. It's probably my longest ever YouTube video. It wasn't meant to be this long. Let me close this. See, this I'm really impressed with. I might do a follow-up in, what are we now? July. I might do a follow-up in a month. I'll use this website. I'll create more content. I'll see where they rank. And that'll be a good indicator. I don't think it's got my name there, Tom. Hey, let me see if I click on this. Did it do my bio? Oh, I've not got a bio page set up on this website. Doesn't matter. Anyway, so the link is down below for this. This is an amazing, amazing, amazing tool, honestly. It's another banger from Chris. I mean, this is really one of those cannot miss tools. I don't know if it's going to be a price rise or anything, but I'll probably get rid of my bonuses in a week or so. So they'll only be there for the people who buy early. Or maybe not, I'll leave them there. We'll see. I'm rambling now. But where's the pricing on? I lost it. Okay, here it is. So I mean, just starting off with this one, $37. That is not that much for the power you have with this tool. This replaces your other AI writing tools, and it does it all on autopilot. You saw how easy it was. I mean, right now I've got 2 websites running. It took me minutes to set up, and I've got content. Incredible. This is probably a bit out of my price range right now, but damn. 100 articles a day. Imagine you've got 100 websites, do 1 article per day per site. That'll be an insane amount of commissions and insane amount of power that you can have your own PBN. Oh man, that's wicked. Anyway, let me end it here. Thanks for watching. If you got it this far, you are a true champion. Please leave a comment down below so I know that you're a champion, and I'll reply to your comment. I don't know, I'll pin it or something, I don't know. 1 hour and 2 minutes. It's gonna be a monster to edit. I'm just gonna put some music on, and anyway, background music behind this video. Thanks for watching, and bye.